No.
Did you eat ice cream? Can you say ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Where did you eat your ice cream at?
I eat ice cream.
Ice cream where?
I eat ice cream. Ice cream.
Be nice, don't hit.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes.
Did you eat ice cream outside?
No way. No way. Go home.
You want to go home?
Yes.
Did you eat ice cream in my car?
Top. I'm going.
Say ice cream. Ew, ew, ew. Say ice cream. Here, are you thirsty?
Say that.
Okay, all done. Say bye-bye.